Hi there. I just wanted to let you know that I'm not changing your grade on the long annotated bibliography because it. I still, I still only see, um, let's see, one, two, three, four paragraphs. I don't see any citations. I'm not really sure what this first paragraph is. Is it a summary? I can't tell. This one here looks like a summary. So it looks like I have a summary here and a summary here and maybe a response paragraph here, but still that's half of what I need to see, plus there are no citations. Let me just show you, I'm going to show you Roberts. So this is what your bibliography should look like. There should be a citation followed by a summary, a 200 to 300 word summary. That's it right there. And then, so that's just the first paragraph. His is long, but and then the summary, the first summary is followed by a response paragraph. That's where he tells me how he plans to use that source to write his essay. And then we have the same thing all over again, and we have that 4 times. So there's citation, summary, response paragraph, again and again. So that's what it should look like.